Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export a part of your clip on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to split the section that I want just to make it easier. Select the section that I want to export, right click, and then select range, and then select by clip or press Shift X on your keyboard. Then you're going to just export it, and it's going to export only that part of the clip. So here I'll show you. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.